Well, the big dumbass hurricane came through and screwed everything up. Knocked the power out. It's going to be out for, well, who knows. So I'm feeding the generator every 6 hours. Gasoline, which I miraculously stored up some, so I was at least prepared in that situation. But I don't think this is the 3 days of darkness, but maybe it is. The internet was down on my son and his wife's phone and on my phone. The spectrum went out completely, which is Charter, whatever you call it, wherever you're at. But and of course he's got a killer generator there. It kicks on automatically. Anyway, I don't have that. I believe his works off of gas or propane, so he doesn't have to feed it. Anyway, knocked out the power, smashed my window on my minivan because I was too stupid to move it. Of course, I don't know, maybe I wasn't. I got the idea I should move my vehicles, and I probably should have. But where the tree fell on the power lines, if I parked there, it might have been bad, but I don't think I would have been. Well, it might have fucked up my trailer though. So anyway, I guess I lost the least path of resistance of rear windshield. Anyway. So anyway, it came through, and thank God a few days before that I got up on that roof and I made a video about that. And look, because her room would have been a river, but as it was not that bad. It was leaking, but it was manageable with 3 or 4 buckets. Anyway, so I come up out of the woods today. I can't get through my path without, there's trees, so many trees across the path. I had to crawl on my hands and knees in 2 different places and to get through, which I had to do because the dogs were already up here. So it's gonna be fun going back home. Ollie, give it up. But I ran into this guy and I said, hey, you cut trees? And he's like, yes. So, Callie. They got a new dog there. Seems like they're happy with. I think they've met him before. Yeah, they're all right. Anyway. Anyway, he's supposedly gonna go cut the trees out of my driveway, which is amazing. However, Callie! Ollie! Callie, come on! Callie! Ollie! Come on! Don't bring your friend with you. Come on! Callie! It's all right. I'll bring your dog back in a minute. Anyway, he's going to come on, buddy. Well, come on. He's telling him to go play, so I guess he's all right with it. Anyway, come on. I didn't get your name, little doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Anyway, I told him I'd give him cash, so I don't know what that means. I didn't ask how much. We got the tree on the electric lines. I'm sure there's no power to those lines because there's no power anywhere. This guy just said he couldn't see anybody had any power today still. So the whole area, 100% of their customers lost power. 100%. Whoopee! Whoopee dog! It's okay. Come on. He's scared. Anyway, so from 100% of the Duke Energy power customers lost power at least sometime during the last 24 hours. Hey, I like that shit. And looking up on the hill, you see nobody's got no power. My son has no power. The generators, quite the blessing, but pain in the ass at the same time. I mean, I was up at 9:30 last night feeding it, and 3 in the morning feeding it. Just a joyous good time. Cooper, Callie, what are you doing? Never have they done this. Now they're just running way down there. Insane. Ollie, come here, Ollie. Ollie. Anyway, here they come. Anyways, the hurricane sucks, but this guy cutting my trees could turn into, because I was going to go do it myself. Well, we cut a bunch of it yesterday, me and my son and his wife. We did a bunch of chopping. Made it to where we could get through anyway, but this guy, he can make it disappear. Boop. Oh, man, that was a good throw. Ollie. Here. Boop. Here. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry. Okay. So anyway, Saturday, the world is all chewed up right now. So, I'm gonna hold this phone. This guy doesn't know I'm filming. I guess I'm going to have to invest in a chainsaw. I had to crawl under 2 trees just to get up here on my hands and knees. Cause
now they have those little battery powered ones, lightweight. They're pretty good.
I got an electric one, but the damn chain comes off.
Yeah.
Years ago, I had a Pioneer, was good. I never have any luck with them damn gas ones, but I think the battery, that'd be the way to go.
Yeah, battery ones, I mean, now, like, get a little Milwaukee or a little Steel battery-powered chainsaw, those things do good, especially if you're just cutting something here and there, you know?
Yeah, well, it's rare.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Hey, you have a good one, man. I'll be by you sometime today.
That'd be awesome. Just honk.
All right, I will.
Turns out I met this guy. He's the nephew of the guy that owns this property, he's apparently the one who this business is being allowed to operate under, I guess. So, who knows? Anyway, I don't know how long a video. I don't know if there's a limit on minutes. I don't think I can film it anyway, because I got to crawl on my hands and knees, literally. Creepy. So I'll stop this one and see if I can start another one. You can see there's a tree there. See that tree right there? Right there. Just crossed their road, which is just falling everywhere. Anyway, I'll start this second video.